In this video, I'm going to show you how to do selfie verification on Facebook Lite. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your account, and then you need to go to the verification screen. Now, this verification screen is usually going to appear automatically if your account is locked or flagged, and it's usually going to say something like confirm your identity or video selfie required. Afterwards, you need to press on continue and then choose video selfie. Now, if you're in a situation where you don't see that pop up like me, then in that case, you are actually good to go. So that means that you already verified your account. Now, here's the thing. If you already verified your account on the regular Facebook app, you don't need to verify it again on Facebook Lite. So if you just switch to Facebook Lite, you do not need to worry about actually verifying again because it automatically do it for you. So that right there is definitely a good option. But anyways, if you do see that option, then you need to select on video selfie. And then from there, you will need to allow the app to use your camera. Then you will need to record the selfie video. Keep in mind that you will need to keep your full face visible. Try to take off any type of mask or scarves or a hat or anything that could be obstructing the view. And you want to make sure that you do have good lighting. Make sure that your eyes are clear and stuff like that and that you're actually able to see it. And then typically, it is going to ask you to upload a photo ID as well. So be sure to have one on standby. You could use something like a passport, a driver's license, a state ID, etc. And then wait for verification. It usually takes a few minutes, up to 20 minutes. And then you'll get a notification once it is approved or rejected. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.